Welcome everyone. Today I'm here to make another blog. Here is a farmer who is our relative, and she is doing something for his living purpose. So actually, he is very honest in our area, and there is no one, or it's very challenging to find out someone who doesn't love him for his honesty or flexibility, simplicity. So being a farmer is not crime, and I don't feel any shame to work in the field. And I have many experience in my life where I worked with my father in the field. So that's all about today. I think working in the field can increase our reputation as well as as you are well educated, you may think that I have qualified or I have studied a lot, but I am working in the field. I think this is not any mistake. So working in the field is very good for our health, and it can increase also our reputation. Many individuals completed their graduation, but they are having enough problems to have a job in Bangladesh, but they don't want to do a simple job. So staying jobless compared to doing a single work is better. So whatever opportunities come in front of us, we have to do it. So those people who shame to do this type of jobs, I mean, which is related to agricultural, I think they are very ignorant, and they don't have a much more possibility to get special something or get rid of all obstacle. So let's work together, and whatever, don't try to miss any opportunity that comes, I mean, that gives, I mean, that is gift by Allah. Okay, so take care of yourself. That's enough for today.